new boiler position. What we've done today, put the flue in. 102mm hole straight through, nice. And the other day, a bit of pipe work. Yeah, thinking about it, I've done it differently. But, you know, that's the way it goes. Excuse the excessive cabling and stuff, but that goes to the back of the sink. Teed into hot and cold, and that one there is the gas pipe going down. So, gas pipe in the middle. Hot water coming out of the boiler on the left, and the right is the water incoming, and that's under pressure. That's working. It's always good. And this is a new Ariston, so it does need powering up. And I've moved it from its original position, which is in there. Now we can completely rip the kitchen out and do what we want with it. Oh, look at my little pile of bits. Right, what have we got here? Right, got that one, which is a T. There's going to be one of those in there. There's going to be one of those at one end, and then let's get that out. Be one of those on the like that. That'll go across and end up with a piece 15mm up through a bend into the bottom of where the boiler comes out outside. The only reason that's not done and I'm talking about it is because it's chucking it down in rain. Oh well, we'll see. Right, this little addition, where is it? Yes. Now, the other side of the 10mm pipe, we're actually moving the position of the gas bottle. So this little fellow here, we have another one of those on the other end, and that way around. Piece of 10mm in the middle, it'll come to there in some fashion, and then it'll come to this little assembly I've pre-made. So go into there, out again it's 15, so we go 15, 10mm through there, 10mm into here, 15 back into there, and that, which is a quick release or pseudo Nerf gun. That's going to go to the CADAC, which is an outside cooker. So that's the system as it stands, and hopefully it'll be functional by the end of today. What a day. Welcome to Bob Lucy. I was sick and tired. I was sitting in the caravan waiting for the rain to stop. It seems to have slowed down a little bit now, but I don't mind getting wet, but it is difficult to solder in the rain. So I just soldered those joints. The rest of the joints over there are going to be compression. I've got a piece of 10mm that's going in that direction to where the new cooker will be eventually, and where the CADAC wants a CADAC. I'm going to put a quick release joint in there for the CADAC, and other than that we're doing alright. I think I've got web feet. It's certainly been raining some, so well, top seems to do the job. Oh well, better swap over to all weather flip flops. Never good. We'll carry on, see how we get on. I recorded a little bit on the pipework itself, and a bit of there, to do with the soldering. I want to show you a bit of soldering, but I can't find it. So there's the pipe. It comes along here, ends up there, and that bit you can see later. There we go, gas tap, and an end there, going into that. I'm going to screw that little job in with some, what do you call it? Oh, tape, gas tape round it. And that will give us the CADAC feed. So yeah, the final bit, let's snap up into there, like so, and screw into there, and that'll be perfect.
Loads of room in there now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we would if I can go in there.
Moment of truth. Yeah. Well, it works. Gas bottle, it's all working. Yeah, hot water. Hey, back into the 20th century. First time I've had hot water in about 2 months. So, yeah, all good. You know what to do if you like the video. Click subscribe. See you on the next one.